Hi everybody, Honest Reviews with Jonna B, and today I am doing a video review on this here. It is by NTONPOWER, and it is a mini US power strip with USB charger. This is it right here. I have it plugged in so that way I could show you that it works and how it works and all that. It comes with a little Velcro strip here to fold it up, which is really nice. So as you can see, it has two power plugins and then three USB plugins. And since I have it plugged in, I think you can see that it has a power indication light, which is really good, really nice. I like that. It is fairly thick, decently thick, I would say. Made of a plastic material. Cord is decently thick as well, and it's, I would say, fairly long. See there, it's pretty long. So I wanted to kind of show a couple of things like its functions and how it works and stuff. I have my phone here, and I have a USB, and it is charging my phone. So I tested out all of them, and all of them work. It is a little tight to get that in and out, but you know, that really doesn't bother me too much. I'd rather it be in there semi-tight than to have it fall out all the time. I checked these here. I've had in the past where these USBs are not in there and they kind of wiggle. And if you notice in my reviews, I always check those out because I've actually had some of this ruin this part of my USB because of the inside. And because it is a bit of a tight fit, I think that's kind of an advantage there. I think there's less likely for it to hurt my end piece. Now, it has the plugins, and I have my lamp cord here, and as you can see, it works. Works great. So, you know, overall, this is a great addition. I'm actually going to use this in my son's room. He got a bunch of electronics and things that he needs to plug in for USB, and he has a couple options that he can use and different plug-in stuff, but I wanted something more direct so that he also has these plugins. So I think overall this is a great product. I've tried the NTONPOWER before, and all their stuff has always been high quality and very reliable and durable. So this one here is really no different. If you would like to check out this product, I will leave the link underneath this video here. If you have any questions, you know, feel free to ask, and I'll do my best to answer them. I do want to mention I did get this on a discount for my honest and unbiased review. I am not associated with the seller in any way. So, yeah. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.